Welcome to Spy Equipment UK. In this video we're going to be talking about the Sports Watch spy camera and how to use it. So first of all, looking at the face, the camera is planted at the number 6 position and it is designed to be recorded so that your wrist is turned towards the subject, which means the watch will be upside down but the camera will be recording the right way around. So you just turn your wrist towards the person and it's filming in that direction. At the bottom to here, so basically the 5 and 7 position, there are 2 infrared lights. If you're in record mode and the brightness goes below a certain level, these would turn on to help you see in a darker environment. It doesn't work very far away, so it's not going to light up the entire room, it just helps you record what's close by. The number 12 position is the light sensor, so you can tell when the light drops below. And then on the side here, is actually the USB cap, so if you just remove that, there's a supply cable helps you use for charging the device or offloading the footage. On this side you've got a standard time set, so when you receive it, this little plastic tag is plugged in. It just stops the clock from using the battery whilst it's not in anyone's possession. So when you receive it, take the plastic cap out, turn to set the time, and then push it into start, just as a standard watch would work. The watch battery is separate to the camera, so the watch can run even when the camera goes flat and vice versa. With the camera, it's charged up by the USB. At the side there, with the watch, if that goes flat, it would need replacing like a standard watch battery would. And a normal watch maker would be able to do that for you if you don't want to do it yourself. So on the side here, you've got 2 buttons that are used for the camera. The top one is to turn the unit on and off. It's also used to start and stop recordings or take pictures. And the bottom one here is the mode switch. So I'll just show you how to go through that. If you press and hold this button first, so the device turns on, and again, if you press and hold it again, the device simply turns back off again. So in the on position, using the mode switch, you can change the modes, and the lights down here represent what mode it's in. So when it's in blue, it's in video recorder mode, which also records voice as well. If you press it once, that changes it to green, which is just an audio recorder, so no video. And if you press it again, it goes to blue and green, which is actually photo mode. So as standard, when you turn it on, it'll always be in video mode, and if you wanted to start recording a video, you just press that button once, so not a long press, just a click, and you see it starts flashing to say the recording has begun. Then it goes out, but it's still recording at that point. So then you go around and film what you need to, and then you just press that button once to stop it, and it would turn back into the standby state. So if you wanted to do a voice recording, the same thing again, you turn it on, it would end up in this mode, and then you press the mode button once to go to voice recorder, and again click that button once, similar thing, green light flashes a few times, then goes off, and at that point it's just recording audio without the video. And again, you can leave that on for as long as you need to, or until the battery goes flat, and then press again once and it goes back into standby mode. And for photos, when you're in this mode, so green and blue means photo mode, all it is, you press that one once, it will take one photo. So it will go off and go back on again. So each time it's doing that, it's capturing a picture. That's it. Once you're done, all you need to do is press and hold this button to turn the unit off. And then all you need to do then is plug in the USB cable to offload the footage, so you can plug it into a Windows PC, Mac PC. You can plug it into a phone if you've got a converter, but we don't supply that. Okay, thanks for watching.